Hi! For today's tutorial, I'm going to show you on how to use Cpagrip for beginners. So first, if you're new to my channel, please don't forget to subscribe for more videos like this. And to use Cpagrip, you can go to your browser and search for cpagrip.com. Cpagrip is a leading cost per action marketing platform. Experience performance marketing with industry-leading monetization tools. Here you can become a publisher or become an advertiser. So let's try on become an advertiser first to see what we have to do to become an advertiser at Cpagrip. Click on that. And here you can contact Cpagrip with their email address and Skype. You can also ask questions, and all fields are required like your email address, publisher ID, company name, company website, targeting geos, and additional details or notes. And after that, you can send a message. Only if you want to become an advertiser at Cpagrip. And going back, to become a publisher, you can click on that. Then verify that you're human. And here to become a member, you have to fill out this form. Your first name, last name, company and website are just optional. Street address, your country, city, state or region, your phone number, and please be reminded that you have to prepare your Skype account before you fill out this form. Your publisher type, your email address, password, then you have to confirm your password, and you have to choose a time zone. You also have to agree with their terms and policies here. And after that, you can now click on register now. Here you can see the dashboard, the public chat. It is a live chat where you can see the time, the username, and then the chat. But new accounts must earn a minimum of $25 before participating in the public chat. You can also see your today and yesterday stats overview, the views, clicks, leads, revenue, EPC, and conversion. You can also see your hourly stats. And if you scroll down a little bit, you will see here a payment notice. You have no payment method selected. And if you scroll down a little bit again, you can see the top country breakdown, the country where you can be an affiliate, the recently added offers, together with their possible payout. You can also see down below, if you scroll down a little bit again, you can see the top performing offers, their country, the product, and the possible payout. Then let's try on how Cpagrip works. Let's select a product we can affiliate with. If you tap on a certain product, this is what you can see. You can see the country, it is only available in Portugal, and the possible payout is $3.42. And you can also see your product on your right side. And to share this product and have commission, all you have to do is to click on copy link, and you can share it to your online media platform. And right below you can see the clicks, the leads, the revenue, and EPC on the link that you have shared. But you can also disable this offer. And here you can choose what product you can share to your country. Here you also have your account manager. It's John Wilson, your senior account manager. You can contact him through email, Skype, or chat. You can also see the latest industry news articles like TikTok trends and video content ideas. So let's go back at the top and try to chat with John W. You can click here. Here you can read that John W. welcome you at Cpagrip, and you can have a look at the frequently asked question to get an overview of how things works. You can also reply and say hi, thank you, and then hit send. You can now see your chat here. After that, you can also have a look at your left corner. You can see the settings here, your dashboard, statistics and charts, monetization tools, offer tools, postback tools, referral program, payment center, account settings, and support. You can now click on your payment center and settle your payment methods. Here you can see your payment status. You have $0 earnings. You can see your total paid, your pending balance, and a minimum payment of $50. And here it is say that your payment schedule is net 30. Net 30 means that you are paid every 30 days. You also have a notice on your payment details. Before we issue payments, your payment method must be selected first in the payment settings section. You can click here to choose your payment method. You can choose Pioneer, ACH Transfer, and PayPal. You can also see your payment history below. After that, you can now save payment preferences. After that, you can now go at the top. And here you can see that you can refer a friend. And under statistics and charts, you also have a stats overview, daily breakdown, offer breakdown, tool breakdown, and country breakdown. And you can also see your today's revenue here. So let's try on sharing a product again. You can click this on Belgium. The possible payout is $27.38. And all you have to do is to copy the link and share it to your online media platforms. Your target is to sell or to have a lot of clicks using that link. And the more link you shared, the more clicks you will have, and the more conversions you will have. If you have a question, don't hesitate to leave a note on the comment section below. And there you have successfully learned how to use Cpagrip for beginners. That's all for today. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. See you on the next video.